Well, it was already trash. Well, hi there, and welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Well, we're going to try this again. We're going to go look for the tractor. I got more information on where the tractor is on the property. So we're going to go, it's early morning. We're going to go head in there, or walk in there actually, and see if we can find the tractor, get a scope on this elusive tractor, and see what it's going to take to get it out. All right, we're walking back in. I was told what trail to go down and where to go, so we're going to check this out. It's a ways back in here. There's all kinds of trails in here, but I got direction to get to the tractor. It's way in the back. All right, so here's where I went wrong. We need to go down this trail. Not sure what that was. Oh, there's a tag. Huh. It's a case. I don't know what it was. Okay, we go this way. Yep. That puppy dog's got it right. I don't know how old this tractor is. I don't know how sunk it is. I don't know anything about it. So that's why we're coming to take a look. Puppy dog's having fun. She's wandering all over the place. In fact, I lost her now. Puppy dog. Puppy dog. There she is. Okay, there's an old school rear end. Nice looking fern. Okay. Yeah, nice ferns. Kind of like a jungle out here. Huh. Look at that. Huh. Don't know what that was. Okay, there's the slough he was talking about. And there's the tree stand. We're getting closer. Keep going down the trail. Okay. I think we go this way. But I'm not sure. Oh, what do I see up here? That's an old tractor tire. Well, I think that was the wrong way. That was another slough. So I'm thinking we need to go this way. I don't know what that is. It's a mushroom of some sort. It's definitely a mushroom. Don't know if it's edible. He was right. It's way back in here. But there is trail. Ah, this must be the tree that he turns around at. Okay. Yep. All right. So this looks like a trail. The trail's getting worse. He said the trail gets worse. And he said the tractor is just 10 feet off a fence line. I haven't run across any fences yet. Ooh, I think I see a fence line. Well, I don't know where it is. I followed directions and I'm not finding where it is. So we might have to make a phone call. Well, again, that looks like a bust. We walked all over back in there. And it's a big woods, lots of trails. I thought I had my directions correct, but I must have screwed up somewhere. Tried to make a phone call, didn't get an answer, so we'll try again. Okay, well, we have to get the wrecker on the trailer and get down to Trollhogen here. We gotta check the fluids. Yep, we need a little of that. Anyway, the tractor, we'll get back to looking for that in a little bit, probably after Memorial Weekend. We have to go down to Trollhogen and see what needs to be done. We're going to take the wrecker and give it a shakedown. So that's what we're doing today. And yes, we got the forks welded up on the Bobcat, or the fork mounts. So we'll be able to put the camper on the flatbed, but we're not putting the camper on right away. Okay, all our vital fluids are good, and we're ready to go. So we'll load the wrecker on the trailer, head down to Trollhogen for the last work weekend before Memorial, which is coming up really quick. For movable fence, we string banners or streamers between them. So you'll see in a minute. So this is what we do. We pound broken fence posts into logs for movable fence. Well, now that we got the post done, we're going to head out and check out our tow truck shortcuts, make sure that they're all clean of trees, and we'll take you along for the ride. Truck shortcut is clear, and now we're heading on the trail. Not doing any of the obstacles because they've all been enhanced last weekend, and we want to keep them fresh for the trail riders. Well, things are looking pretty good so far, but this is only the second trail. Looks pretty good. We got one trail left, and that's red. Boy, the mud holes are dry. It's going to be an easy year unless we get rain. Well, it's the next day, and we're out here on Red Trail checking our tow truck accesses, and guess what? We heard an air leak as we were driving. You know, the psh, psh, psh sound, and we stopped when it was going psh, and look what we found. Good thing I have extra ones at home. Well, that isn't going to stop us from our mission. We're just going to keep going. we're cleaning up the tow truck access roads or trail on Red Trail, and this we ran into this, and this is only a third of it. We already cleaned up 2/3 of it, as you can see. But we have to get through this. So I took a little break. It's time to get back to work. Well, I'm almost through, but I need gas for the chainsaw, and it's lunchtime. So we're gonna head out and we'll be back. Well, I know I said I'd be back to finish that, but there's a nasty storm coming. Everybody else bugged out, so we're gonna do the same, and we'll have to do it on Thursday, I guess. Well, it was already trash. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you at Trollhogen.